What do I love about the animal and dairy science major? We are taught by the best, in the classroom and on the farm. Many classes have laboratories where we apply lessons that lead to inspiration. You can get involved in research where we advance solutions to meet the needs of livestock growers. And there is no shortage of friends. You can create relationships, community, and network with others who share similar interests. You can also explore the world, traveling abroad, experiencing different cultures, and becoming globally minded about food production. But the best part is success. You can make a meaningful impact in the world around you. The Animal and Dairy Science major at Mississippi State University offers hands-on learning and the skills needed to succeed.